Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine and we are so sorry for the delaying the videos. So the Google has been, as you know everybody that Google will be going to do the updates and new policy they will going to roll out on every year ends like in November they will going to upload the each and every policies and will update. Whenever they have been updating any policy or anything now, so Google Play Console will going to get us some bugs. So mostly for the testers only it will going to get a bug that we have been facing a bug from the last month we have been facing a bug, and Google still is not been getting a verify with that, and it has been blaming to the users only that you are not doing the proper testers. The testers has been usually has been getting a rejected, as I'll going to show you, as this is a game that's Crow and Bull. So as I have taken the screenshot of that, so there you can able to see. So this is a we have been doing a testers on these mobiles. It, as you can see, we have a more devices, but taken only for the few devices for to go to explain to the Google why the testers has been getting rejected. While we are doing a proper testing, but also from the Google side it has been getting a rejected. So we want to clarify to the Google Play Console that why it has been getting a rejected. It is a bug from your side that you need to be fix it out. So we are going to appeal to the Google that is saying that we are doing a proper testing. As you can see, while we are doing the testings, as you see already that we have been doing the testing, so it's been showing only 4 devices, but as you want to see it is a really a Google side problem or from the tester side problem. So just click on your app. While you have been clicking, see already once the app has already been gotten rejected, and again from the testing also we did it, and we have increases more devices like in a 30 plus devices we have been installed, but still it's showing only 4 devices. So now it's already been the level test has been passed. So if it is continuous been happen like that, the Google will going to reject it that you are not doing a testing properly. But as we had did the testing, if you want to know the exactly your testing, if you want to know how the testing is going on, and we want to see that whether testing is going properly or not, but while we are doing a proper testing and Google has been not taking any serious action on that, it will be going to be big problem. So what we will going to say, first we will going to see the Google has taken a data proper or not. It is a problem from Google side or from tester side. So we'll go to the statistics sites, and here you can see that the graph is not been properly way. So I'll keep like an idea. So while we have been doing testing, so first on the first date it has a 16 devices, on next day it has a 17 devices, and the third day it's going completely problem no free. So we have been started on 27th of October, then 27 28 is fine, and till 30 is fine, and on the 31st is also been fine. But on the next day of 1st of November it's been zero installation. So Google has a problem. So the Google need to be fix this problem because the Google has not taken a proper data, and again you see the tester has been rejected, still now zero it's showing, again it's showing 9 installation, and after that it's showing 4 installation, and again 3 0 installation, and again. So as from the Google side the tester has not showing the proper way. As you can see here also is it showing the proper way. See, the tester is not showing the 16, 17, 17, 17, 16, 9, 7, 4, 3, 4. How it's going to be possible when all the devices is running and testing is going on, the Google has not taken a proper data, then you need to raise a ticket to the Google. So what we're going to do, we will going to keep for a 28 days. So we will going to take a screenshot of this one, the problem one. So what we're going to do, we will going to take a screenshot of this. So we will going to show the problem to the Google that it is not taking a proper way. So we will going to save, and we will going to take this data also, or you can just save the data. So you can take better this data. So the statistics is very easy to understand, and we're going to highlight the installation is not going to be proper. So we will going to save it this one. So after saving this, so we need to go to the Google Play Console support. We're going to go on the support. So we're going to go Google support team here. So here we're going to get an option. So just go down and contact to us. What the issue? Tester. Oh, just we will going to copy this. Just keep on dashboard. Testing problem. Testing bug from your site. So we're going to see whether it's supported questions are not there. Troubleshoot, publishing and manage and testing app visibility, testing, tracking, test, tracking confirmation. Just we will going to click it on this one only. Just save a next. So we're going to do the next and we will going to write a mail to the Google. So here is there do and submit. You can now request from the help from. Okay, do not. Wait, why it's been not showing? Better we will going to take some other option. Manage the testers. See, still Google is showing some other things here. Why it's been showing? Oh, okay. We have a new option. The Google has launched a new option. It's really amazing. So here we need to create a ticket. It's very good. I better at first I want to confirm whether this account only is yeah, this account only is it's been app integrated, app release, development, account verification, monetize, reporting, and other. We will going to click console issue. Console issue. Select a app. This is an app. I need a help with an issue. Okay. App data and statics and billing. Just we'll going to click on other. The data required and personal data act on behalf of developer based on this. Okay. Describe the issue. For a issue we will going to write. We will going to take the help of ChatGTP here. We will going to write. You're going to write. Can you write to Google Play Console about the testing app data is not taking right as we are doing the right testing every day we are doing, but also it's been getting rejecting it. Can you fix it and approve the testing of my app as I already wasting my 1 month of the testing. You can write anything at the end. Can you write it in the good way for the ticket support team? So you can able to correction this, but I will just go into confirm it here. So Google will go into sorry, ChatGPT going to analyze and they will go into write. Hi Google team, I hope you are doing. I'm writing a request to aside you regarding the present issue with the map testing data with the Google Play console. For the past month, my team has and have been constantly daily doing the testing for the including the user data has occupied. However, the disable is continuous affected by Play console is recognized our tester is inactive currently. As a result, the app tester submitted has repeatedly been rejected, even thought performance of genuine testing, review and manually and approve. Okay, this well and good. So we will go into copy DL Google team still from here to thanking for your support and time. We will going to copy here and here we'll going to write. It says okay, we need to write in 1,000 words only. Can you write in the 1,000 words? Hmm. Oh, it's writing so much smoothly with it all information. Oh, okay, I need to write 1,000 characters. Okay. Can you write in the 1000 characters? CHA. Okay, if you write the spelling wrong also it's fine, because ChatGPT know how to write each and everything, so they will going to understand what you are writing, because I already trained my ChatGPT. So according to that, dear girl, I'm facing a issue of the app testing is not been captured currently. Even thought we have been profiling dealing testing, multiple devices testing for the past month. We have been following all the tester requirement, but the play console continued rejecting the testing situation due to the insufficient data. We believe that may be like the technical issue as request the tester action have to be completed with our side. I kindly request you manually review our app testing and assist with the review the issue we can be processed with that. Okay, so we will going to copy this one. So while before you pasting, please read all those things carefully, and it's asking screenshots. So let's see how many screenshot it will going to avail, because it's a new thing now. Google has been mentioned. Okay, it has giving entire thing. So I will going to add the three screenshot, that is this image also I will going to add, and all the screenshots also I will going to add it. So here I kept on a desktop that the image is this one, I think. Let me check it out, it's a proper image or not. No, it's not a proper image. According to the game, what you have, that image only you need to add it. So this is the right image, so I will just upload it the image. Okay, so then we have to do the just submit. Okay, now your ticket has been submitted. It's very good that the Google has launched the support team inside the Play console. Before that, we need to go and report to that, and we need to write it to them and all those things. And you will going to get a follow up mails. Let's see whether we got any follow up mail also or not. I hope it should be get a follow up mail. Yeah, we got a ticket report also. Yes, very good. So it's very good. So whoever has a tester issues problem, they can able to apply from here. And it's very good that Google has been launched so many things they are doing, and it's a help support is a very good help to us. So they we can able to raise a complaint, and according to that they will going to submit all those things. It's very good. So I hope you people like to our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please share with your colleagues also, so it will going to so much helpful to them. Thank you so much.